Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're just cleaning up this trampoline. It's gonna be a short video on how you can maintain your trampoline too. So we'll just start by blowing off some of these leaves, then sweeping them, and then you can just use maybe plain water or some soap and just scrub it up. Maybe not, we'll just try and see how far it's gonna take us. So stay tuned as we do this.
Walking into the signs, red flashing lights by your side. Take a number this time.
So we have most of the leaves out. So this is the stones that we'll be trying, the dried up leaves that we'll be trying to scrub with some water and see if we can go out. And after that we'll see what else to do if we still have the stain.
You can't save it tonight. Can't save it tonight. She said, take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Take it, I want more, nothing like ever before.
So first round of scrubbing done, most of it came out. So we can spray it again with water and then try out the same thing again and see how far we are. Then also scrub the inside underneath the net.
I can give it all. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out.
So as you do it, remember to check underneath this. There definitely is, you'll find some leaves buried inside. Try to scrub what you can out, and then the rest, hopefully the water will take care of it. So I wasn't deep cleaning it or anything, I was just getting it ready for summer, just trying to get out those tough stains that have built up over time. I think this is good enough. I think the kids will enjoy it. So all you need is one of these hard scrubbers, water, and a broom. So let's finish it up and see how it is.
Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. You're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me,
So we're done. It looks way better than how it was. That was just some basic cleaning, no deep cleaning or anything. I think now the trampoline is ready for summer. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Thank you for tuning in.